Okay, bro. So I think I'll need to drop this video for you guys so you guys can watch and learn also how to improvise on some basic gospel songs. Okay, that will help you and also enhance your playing well as well. Okay. So at first, I want to do this lesson in the key of D. I know most of you are not familiar with the key of D, but we need to do almost lesson in the key of in all the keys so that we can, understand the fretboard very well. Okay, this is the key of D. On the third string, we have here in the key of on the second string. Okay. 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 What shall I render unto Jehovah? Oh, he has done so many things for me. What shall I render unto Jehovah? Oh, he has done so many things for me. So like I showed you in the other video, how to hold your source chord, okay? This is your major do chord, the major one chord. And this is your source chord. Instead of the mi, you allow the re to pronounce, okay? So this is your va chord, okay? Your va chord, which is your 4 chord, but like play a full bar chord, okay? I showed you on the previous video how to hold your full bar chord. So your full saw chord, then your la. I showed you on the previous video how to hold your la chord, stuff like this, okay? You bar here and your ring finger and your first finger under the fifth and the fourth fret, string, fifth string and fourth string, okay? Then your re, the same thing, fourth and third string. For your re, you add your va there. And that is your E minor. Okay, that is your E minor. Okay. And also I showed you how to play your major 7th chord and your diminished chord, which is your root flatted, okay, root flatted, your la 6th note and your minor third, okay, which is your mo. That is do, D, okay, do, D. Okay, so I showed you those basic chords for you to know. So the chord progression is very simple. What shall I render? You play your major 7 unto Jehovah. You go to your 4 chord. For he has done great. For he has done so many. Go to your 5th chord now, which is your saw. Lord, for me, what shall I render unto Jehovah? For he has done so many strong. Oh, okay, okay, your 1, go to your major 7, your va, 4 chord, la, re, okay, you go your la, 6 chord, re, your 2 chord, so, okay. So you just play the 1 chord beat, okay, you okay, it's very simple as that. Okay, you need to understand the fallings of the songs so you don't make mistake. Okay, now 1, 7th. La, re, la, re. So, okay. So, if you like the video, drop a comment. So, we ever don't understand, you can hit me back. Okay.